Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. Up here in sort of the local residential area of Benidorm. However, there are a few bars up this end. We'll show them to you. Before that, there of course British Square, just right down the end of there. Tons of great entertainment bars on there. Alright guys, and of course Mallorca bar down there, great food. Believe I just made a fancy there. Pause you while I sort me camera. Okay, we're back now. Yeah, just made a fan stay there. Said or whatnot, cause I think I got him on camera. Then afterwards he's like, I saw it in my money's video, I'm famous. Rather lately, been a bit weird. I mean, we have had sunny days like we're saying. I mean, Friday like 32, 33 degrees. Has gone a bit cooler now, sadly. I mean, you still got a bit of that heat, not much of it. Tommy's there, of course. Back front room for your karaoke. Some great singers in there. All decorated for Halloween tonight. Yeah, I believe it will probably be Halloween themed tonight. Like, people may get dressed up for it. I mean, I know in indoor market people wear just sort of wearing like Halloween hats, stuff like that. But in Tommy's I will get dressed up for it. We went a Halloween party around here. Everyone was dressed up, bar staff, DJ. It was just a great laugh, to be honest. Like Matthew, he had a mask but didn't really want to wear it. So he kept taking it off, then getting told to put it back on. And of course the back room, that is your entertainment room, housey every night with 3 live shows, brilliant shows as well guys, always changing. Of course, many nights they also have our great friend, Uncle Colin. He'd probably kill me for calling him that. Mr. Colin Campbell. Adult or comedy show, not for the faint of heart. He's sort of like a comedy sketch artist, drag act type show.
Remember to ask him if he likes ABBA.
Yeah, remember to ask him from us if he likes ABBA. Believe he's on at Cafe Lee's tonight, doing a Halloween show there. Believe he's on.
Go on, Marcus,
Put my teeth back in.
You can do it, lad.
Believe he's going to be attempting Rocky Horror Picture Show, sweet transvestite. Offer apartments there. Look, brilliant apartments. I mean, tons of room. Look, I believe they're quite nice. And of course, little cafe next door if you're wanting like something to eat or just a nice cold beverage. finally coming up onto Rio Park. Now, I hate to say this, I can't really say what I want to say about it. I mean,
What?
you all probably know my opinions, but last time I sort of said what I said about it, like said it weren't really the best hotel. I think I may have called it a shithole. Yeah, I think I did. Anyway, I ended up getting slagged off for it. Like, someone asking me why I was slagging it off and all that. Sadly, I couldn't message him back, however, and put, oh, I didn't realise people like to get food poisoning nowadays. But, yeah, I believe they have refurbished it since we were there, so for all we know it could be a lot better nowadays. I mean, I'm not really sure, guys. You do still get to choose a pet cat to take home with you. Yeah, you probably know what I mean. They're all the cats outside. That's the entertainment room. Still got the chairs that, I mean, if you're a bit of a bigger person, I wouldn't try sitting in one of them, you'll get bloody stuck. Not even sure what the entertainment is nowadays. I do know med players that do their own shows. Looks like a Halloween evening tonight in there. Now, of course, from watching the documentary they done on the Medplay hotels, Halloween big event for them, like all the kitchen staff got dressed up, like they do the whole canteen up for Halloween, and they also do offer some Halloween entertainment.
Can I just say something, Marcus?
What?
Canteen? Wouldn't it be a restaurant? Yeah, get on, lad. You're doing a great job.
Cheers, lad. Cheers. Yeah. That do the restaurant up for Halloween. Believe many of the staff get dressed up as well. And throughout the day I can guarantee you there's probably stuff for your kids to do. So don't worry, guys. You'll be able to sneak off for a nice quiet pint. Every night they'll probably have kids disco, then they'll probably have some shows on as well. So yeah, perfect for a holiday. If you're coming here at Halloween, don't worry, guys, like the kids can still sort of do trick-or-treating. Like I believe there'd be some opportunity for them to get dressed up, get some sweets, that sort of thing. Yeah, no, Brick Road down there takes you to the Rio. Of course, they have scooter parking as well. Just be warned though, guys, there will Amigo 24 scooters, like any other scooters. You may be at risk of like getting it unplugged, going out somewhere, getting halfway there, then your scooter dies. Don't want that to happen, do you? Easy Hire, however, do have an office just down the Yellow Brick Road, so not too bad. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe. Tell me if you've been to the Rio since it's been refurbished or not, what you think. Happy Halloween, everyone. In Spanish, Feliz Halloween. That's the only language I know how to say it in, so See you in the next one, guys. Love you all. Stay safe. Stay happy. Stay pissed.